Okay, so now we're going to talk about the flying ball. So first we're going to talk about just the box. Got a nice box. And here it is. And then the instructions. I'll tell you a warning. If you don't like it, you still gotta use it. This is the instructions. Always read it, or else it's gonna hit your eye. So, read the instructions, and then the cable. So, don't take it out when you're charging it. Don't take it out when it's red. Only take it out when it's no color. And then this is the remote control. So this is to help you to start and move it. And you can do it with your hand doing this if you want to. And there's two start buttons, right here and right here. So you gotta press it like that. So now let's start playing now. I think that didn't hurt.